ever wondered how much water your garden consumes and how you can reduce it without compromising its health and beauty? Understanding water conservation in gardening is crucial, not only for the environment, but also for your pocket. So, how can you save water in your garden? Here are the top 7 techniques. Number 1, choose drought-resistant plants. These plants require less watering and can survive in dry conditions. Not only are they hardy and adaptable, but they also add variety and color to your garden. Moving on to number 2, use mulch to reduce evaporation. Mulch works like a protective blanket for your soil, keeping it cool and moist and prevents water from evaporating into thin air. Number 3, water your plants early in the morning or late in the evening to prevent water loss due to evaporation. This way, the water has ample time to seep into the soil and reach the roots before the sun can cause it to evaporate. For our 4th technique, consider installing a drip irrigation system. It delivers water directly to the roots of your plants, reducing waste and ensuring that your plants get exactly what they need. No more, no less. Number 5, collect rainwater. You can use it to water your plants, saving tap water for other uses. It's a great way to recycle a natural resource and your plants will love it. Next, at number 6, water deeply but less frequently. This encourages plants to develop deep root systems, making them more drought-resistant. And finally, number 7, group plants with similar watering needs together. This prevents overwatering some plants while underwatering others. By implementing these techniques, you can significantly reduce your garden's water consumption. So, are you ready to make your garden more water efficient? Let's put these techniques to work and witness their benefits. Share your experiences. We'd love to hear your success stories. Remember to give this video a thumbs up if you found it helpful, and hit that subscribe button for more gardening tips. Thank you for watching.